Hey Jason, my name is Erin and I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. We're a marketing company here in Greensboro, and you had spoken with my husband and partner Rob on the phone yesterday. And we thought we'd just shoot you this quick video showing you a few tips on how to help beat out your competition online. I will keep it short. I do not want to take up too much of your time, but if by the end of this video you can tell that we certainly can help grow your business online and that's something that you're interested in doing, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries at all. Please take these tips that I've given you here today for free and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask is that you could please give me some feedback on this video once you watch it, just to let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But without further ado, we will go ahead and jump in. The three things that I will cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing is going to be content, and that is anything that you can see here on your website. That does also include the pictures, what your pictures are saved as, and what's behind the pictures. All of those things can be considered content, and to Google, content is king. So the more content that you have, the more opportunity you have to be able to add in those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. Your website looks great. The layout of it is really nice. Everything is very organized. It looks like you guys do have a good amount of content on here, which is fantastic. The only thing that I would say is just to make sure within that content, again, that you all have the right keywords integrated in. That when people are looking up, roof repair, roofing services, roofing company, that, you all are the first ones coming up on Google. But very nice job as far as the website goes. So that's really all that I have for you there. So we will go on to the next thing, which is going to be citations. And I pulled up a Google search here of roof repair in Greensboro. The first thing that you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that map pack section. So what a citation is essentially is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. You may be asking yourself, what is a directory and how do I get myself listed in one of those? To put it simply, a directory would be anything like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add their business details and services within there. That would be considered a directory. And you want to make sure that you're going out and seeing where your competition is listed within those directories, and you all would want to get yourselves listed there as well. You would not just want to stop there either, though. Wherever your competition is listed, get that, but then we would want to add more to that. That way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will also help you to rank high here as well. So that would be citations. And the last thing is going to be backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section here. And the way that backlinks work is that basically there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and they are pushing power to your site, which of course is potentially bringing traffic to you all as well. Not all backlinks are created equal though. So for example, say you all did some roof repair for somebody who owns an ice cream shop, and they have decided they're going to take a link from their website and push it back to your site. But that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's really not going to be very helpful for you all. You would want to get links from other roof repair companies, other roofing companies in general that would push a link back to your site that says, yes, they are roofers. That's the industry that they're in. That is not only going to be unique, but it'll be a lot more powerful because it is relevant to your industry as well. So I did pull up a tool that I have here. This is called Ahrefs, and I did pull up you all's website in it. So it's showing that you all have 5 referring domains, which is giving you all 10 backlinks, getting you found for 4 keywords, and bringing about 17 people on average per month to your website. And I just pulled up the keywords that you all are being found for too, just so we can see. So it looks like you all are being found for Carolina Roofing, Custom Roofing Company, Custom Roofing, So that's great. And I did also pull up your competition's website here. So this is Triad Installations, just to kind of give you an idea of, what you would be looking for. So they have 193 referring domains, giving them over 10,000 backlinks, getting them found for 226 keywords, and bringing about 48 people to their website per month. And I pulled up the keywords they're using here. And we're going to pay also close attention to this section here. This is the volume section. So this is showing you about how many people per month are searching for this particular keyword or key phrase. And we would want buyer intent keywords. So anything that when someone says, man, I really have got to get this roof fixed, and they go to Google, anything that they're going to be typing in to find that company or that person that they are going to end up using. And typically, people will use the first person that they see in that map pack or someone on the first page, usually maybe about 3 entries down is as far as most people go. So these keywords really help with that in order to boost you up. So it looks like they're being found for vinyl siding Greensboro, siding Greensboro. They're also being found for their company name, window replacements, roof repair Greensboro, and it looks like the volume on that isn't the best, so we would want to find something with a little bit higher volume. Best roofing Greensboro, that one has a good volume amount. So that just kind of gives you an idea of what you all would be looking for, and the kind of things that people are looking for that would help to get you ranked. But that's pretty much all that I have for you today. You just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that your competition is being found, and that is certainly going to help you all to rank. If there are any questions, or if you'd like to know more about how Duff Digital Marketing can help beat out your competition and get you all ranked, please reach out to us, and we would love to talk to you all about that. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for your time, Jason.